In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto update for a Windows 10 or a Windows 11 PC. So the first thing is get hold of your PC, and once you do that, do a Windows R or a search for services.msc. Okay, just type that in out here, click on OK. Once you do that, you get a pop-up with all the services list for your PC. Here you need to look for Windows Update. So you scroll down, go to the letter W. It's very convenient because everything is in alphabetical order out here. So Windows Update, here we go. Double click on this, you get a pop-up like this. Under the general option, here for startup type, select this to disabled, click on apply, then click on OK. Close everything and then you restart your PC. Once you do that, the settings is going to be applied and you are not going to be getting auto updates for your Windows PC. So once you do this, your PC is not going to get auto updates anymore. But what I would recommend is to actually stay up to date and ensure your PC is working fine. At least once a week, look for updates on the Windows official site and get the updates for yourself and install it yourself. I hope this helps and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.